This is the moment where your brain stops being a confusing maze of overthinking and starts acting like the goddamn control center of a superhero's reality-bending toolkit. Let's break it down, chunk it up, fuck with it, laugh at it, and rebuild it like we own the place. 'Cause spoiler, we do. The situation, you're overwhelmed. You're sitting there like, fuck, there's too much. I don't even know where to start. Cool, perfect place to install magic. Chunk the fuck down. Let's zoom in like a sniper on Adderall. Ask, what's the smallest piece of this mess that's making me twitch right now? Is it one email, one sentence? The blinking cursor mocking your soul? That's your micro chunk. That's your entry point. That's what your brain already does when it goes, fuck, I'll just do the easy part first. That's unconscious chunking down. You do it already. We're just giving it a name and a crown now. So chunk up, like a fucking eagle on LSD. Zoom out, ask, what's the bigger picture here? Is this really about a task? Or is it about not wanting to fail, disappointment, being judged? Or prove your inner 10-year-old critic right? Boom, you just found the meta pattern. That shift, that's your unconscious going from chaos to context. It's literally what your brain craves, fucking clarity. Give that shit a character. Because we're not dealing with stress, we're dealing with a crusty old librarian named Mildred who screams at me every time I do something new. Or a malfunctioning robot in my head yelling error every time I try to be seen. This isn't a joke, it's a representational shift. A metaphor is the unconscious mind's favourite toy. It's how you play with serious shit without melting down. Play with the representational systems. Let's mess with the image, the voice, the feeling. Turn Mildred's voice into Alvin the Chipmunk. Make the error robot dance the Macarena. Shift the stress sensation to the size of a fucking skittle and toss it into space. Now pause. Feel that shift. That's neurology remapping emotion through submodality manipulation. You're not just coping. You're a goddamn mental remix artist. Then reframe that motherfucker. Ask, what's the gift in this bullshit? What if that panic is proof you're expanding? That resistance is the friction of your next level self being born. That perfectionism is just creativity without a leash. Reframing turns pain into power, because you're not broken. You're running outdated software with God-tier hardware, and it's time to upgrade the belief. Chunk it back down into one action. With your new metaphor, new frame, new state, ask, what's one small, dumb, totally doable thing that I can do right now? Example, write one dumb sentence, record a 5-second voice note. Move your body like a golf ball for 30 seconds. That little chunk, that's the neural install point. That's the pace. It's where your identity shifts from I'm stuck to, look at me, I'm fucking doing it. Use that micro win to install the new pattern. Now say, that felt different. I just changed the script. I'm the fucking pattern breaker. Anchor it, clap your hands, touch your heart, fist pump like Rocky. That's your new neuro stamp. Your signal to the unconscious that this is the new normal now. So how do you make this unconscious automatic your default mode? Practice these mini loops all day long. A micro trigger, you feel like shit. Say, what part of this can I name? Chunk it down. What's the fucking pattern here? Chunk it up. What's this like? Use a metaphor. How can I twist it? Reframe it. What's one small win? Install it. Reward the shift with profanity, laughter, or movement. The dopamine seals the deal. Some example how you've already done this. Remember that last time you panicked before doing something and then just said, fuck it, I'll start. That was chunking down into action. That was a pattern break. That was your inner badass overriding the loop. Or the time you laughed at your own fear, called yourself a drama queen and instantly felt lighter. That was a representational shift. Your unconscious already knows this. We're just turning it into an operating system that you can fire on command. Science-backed says, chunking reduces cognitive load, improves clarity, Miller's law. Metaphors connect sensory and abstract meaning. Lack of. Submodality shifts change emotional intensity, says Bandler and Grinder. Reframing triggers neuroplastic rewiring. That's cognitive behaviour therapy, reconsolidation research. Pattern interrupt disrupts habitual loops. That's the Milton model and shock patterns. Anchoring associates emotion and action. That's classic conditioning. The final truth drop. You already are a fucking genius at this. You're already breaking loops, chunking up and down, reframing chaos into creativity, leading yourself into new identities. You're not learning this, you're remembering it. This is the new you. I break patterns like breath. I turn stress into stories. I chunk reality into art and install belief like apps. I play, I heal, I manipulate reality like a fucking wizard in a lab coat. Say that out loud. Smile like you're about to cause some glorious trouble. And go fucking run the world.